We're now going to Natram Market. Tapos na kayo. Alam mo magkano ang bayad nila dyan? $100 per person. Good. No, I have not yen. I have Vietnamese. Yeah. Can you buy for the kid? Hey. Ayun yung bilog. You see that? That's the one.
Umuulan eh.
Hindi tayo mo magkano. Ayan Hello. Ito. Ganda. Ayan Hello. How much? How much? How much? How much?
This one?
Yeah, that one.
This one $15.
$15?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Discount?
No, $15.
Okay. This one handmade.
$15 about 500 yen.
Yeah, yeah. That's okay.
How much do you want?
How much did you buy? In Vietnam money, Vietnamese money.
Vietnam dong?
Yeah, Vietnam dong. $5, no?
Oh, it's too small.
No, too
Very
small.
small.
So
buy one like that is only 500.
500.
Oh, that's in Boracay.
That's in Boracay.
Vietnam dong.
That's in Boracay.
That's in
Vietnam dong.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's okay.
It's okay now. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
$10,
Get
okay?
No. It's okay.
Pero 500 yen lang nabili ko doon.
Only,
diba?
500 pagkano lang yun? $5.
Parang $10.
Yan, ang ganda Vietnam. But how much? How much? $5 for Vietnam. Wow. Very nice. $5, yeah. I want to buy one.
$5 okay.
Yeah, I want to. Wow, Vietnam.
I want this one.
Yeah, okay, $5. I'll hold this.